Okay.
I thought that fern automatically grown in that wall, but I was wrong. It seems they planted. I will tell the full story right after in this video. Hey guys, in this episode today we are going to talk about the Maidenhair fern, which is really hard to keep it alive and grow in your home. So in this video I'm going to share a couple of tips and tricks from the very first one to last, so you can have a proper idea on how you can grow Maidenhair fern in your home. So what happened in that very first shot in that video, I apologize for that, but this is having some stories behind that I'm going to tell you right end of this video. So keep watch till in this video so you can get the full idea from potting mix to grow Maidenhair fern. So let's start it. So here very straightforward ingredient that we are going to follow for Maidenhair fern. So here is like leaves and other materials from the tree, well decomposed, and here some soil with the stones what we have used for earlier. It's really little amount of soil there, and definitely here is the cocoa peat and some bricks stone is here. So we are going to mix and make the potting mix for Maidenhair fern. After potting that Maidenhair fern, make sure to keep this in away from sunlight. Direct sunlight is really harmful. Make sure it will be in shadow area, so like that, and it will take 7 days to 8 days to keep this alive, and then it will start growing, I hope. Let's see in the next process.
It looks more fresh and green and more healthy, and new leaves are coming out, as you can see. So finally we are succeed here to grow Maidenhair fern at home. So you might need to give more that compost of leaves or plant compost on top of the surface later to keep it moist all the time.
So I just saw that there is some Maidenhair fern and somebody's wall is growing really nice. I thought that it's like simply just grown up. So I thought that why I can't collect some from there. But what the story happened is when I went to collect, and somebody owner of that house is just shouting, and he was just running behind me. So that's all that's happened. But end of that I just told him that it was just like for that garden stuff. So I want to grow it in my home. So he just allowed me to take some fern from there later. So that videos I couldn't edit in that, so I don't want to make this video too long. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, that also will be help you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video if you really like this. So thank you, and see you in next videos. Thanks. Comment below what you really like to see from myself, then I can work for that. So till then, yeah, signing off from the GreenStuff from the Garden Cat.